Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Adil and today is a little bit of a short video for you, but we had to get this little pocket rocket in on our channel. This is the Fiat 500 Abarth 595 and it is about to embark on a Cambridge car audio adventure. So guys, the install is all complete. We don't have too much time today, but I really wanted to showcase this one to you guys because this is a really popular upgrade that we do on Abarths. Okay, so what this is a couple of, loads of bits that we've done to car. So if you guys don't know, we've got two brands. So Cambridge Car Audio just talks about sound as a brand, and then you've got CBS Automotive, which covers pretty much everything else in terms of vehicle customization. So things like that. And if you go over to the CBS Automotive channel, you'll find a load of bits and pieces, and we will be filming straight after this another video of all the bits we've done, things like caliper painting, loads of other bits and pieces like window tinting, head unit upgrade, little Abarth little bits and pieces that are all over the car now, which are really cool, heated seats, security, you name it, it's been done on this car. Loads of different stuff, including the awesome exhaust that we've done on the vehicle as well. But let's focus on sound for the Cambridge Car Audio channel. So what we've done on this particular vehicle is upgraded the front speakers using the Audison Prima APK 165P speakers using a skins water guard, as well as 40 sheets of sound deadening, which is full coverage across the doors, areas in the rear quarter, and then full coverage pretty much in the boot area as well. So really good coverage, and this is not only going to reduce road noise. I've actually got two Abarths currently ourselves, and we're building our fleet of hire cars for the future when our other hire cars go back. And actually we've got one car which is sound deadened and one car that isn't. And you can really tell the difference when you drive the two. Those horrible little rattles that you're getting, they are all going to be disappeared now because we've tightened every single screw in the areas that we've been into. Every bolt has been tightened, as well as the sound deadening material. It's going to build a better acoustic environment for the new system to work in, as well as reduce that road noise, which actually these cars come with quite a lot. One of the biggest things is the size of the door card and how tinny it was before. So when I knock on this door in comparison to this door, you're going to hear the difference. So that is incredibly solid, and that is incredibly tinny. And that's what this door card used to be like, and now the difference is really, really noticeable. We've also done areas inside here as well. So pretty much you've got 40 sheets have gone into here. So you've got front door full coverage, rear quarters around about 3/4 coverage, and then the rest of it has gone into the boot area. The reason why we've gone into the boot area is because we've added in the 10-inch Audison Prima active sub. But you might be thinking, well, in such a small car, I don't want to be losing boot space. But that is not what's happened inside that boot area, but we've actually retained the floor space. We've lifted up the factory floor slightly, added in the 10-inch sub, bolted down into the OEM spare wheel location, as this car only comes with a tyre pressure kit. And what we've done is retain space but added in so much depth, and we've flushed in the controller to the front of the steering column. Today's video, we don't have enough time to be actually kind of showcasing this to you, but we can demonstrate this system to you because we have this in our own little demo car and another yellow Abarth, which this client has actually taken use of our hire car, which has been in exactly the same yellow Abarth, which is pretty cool. And he's been rocking around in that while we've been upgrading his Abarth, and we're about to swap over and he is going to get inside his one and enjoy it with the new system and all the different upgrades that we've done between the CBS Automotive brand and Cambridge Car Audio combined together to make this client's dream come true and get the spec exactly how he wanted. So thank you once again for watching today's video. I know it's been a bit of a short one other than our normal long form content. However, we did want to showcase this one to you because this is a really popular upgrade that we get to do on so many occasions and have done so many times as well. So Once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.